So what is the product design process? What are the different stages in it? So the different stages of product design process are conception, acceptance, execution, translation, and pre-production. So we will discuss each in detail. So what is conception? Conception begins with an idea. So in this stage, the draft specification for the product designs are made. So what are the specifications for that product? See, these specifications are made after taking into account the following things, like the performance. What should be the performance of the product? For example, if you are launching a new phone, so what should be the performance? Maybe how fast it should be, how fast the RAM should be, and what should be the appearance or styling requirements? Should it be very aesthetic, like that? And then what is the estimated quantity which will be sold? An estimate of the quantity that you intend to sell. And what should be the price cap? Then according to that only we can incorporate the design. If you are launching the product at a very low price, the design should be in such a way. Then the probable date of introduction of the product into the market. When are you going to launch the product? So after taking into account all these things, collecting information about all these things, we are making some draft specifications for the product design. So at the conception stage, all these are made. Then we have the acceptance stage. The acceptance stage is a stage when the design activity of the product actually begins. After agreeing to the design in conception stage, we will have a small feasibility study. We will look at the old specifications, and then the design, if the design is good, then it will be accepted, and then design activity begins at this stage. And then we have the execution stage. At the execution stage, see, we are preparing a model as per the specifications. And the model is made such a way that it should conform to the specifications. And see, this model will reveal whether the product is feasible. So we can understand some of the feasibility aspects of the product from this model. And the cost of the product is almost estimated at this stage, and the production engineers will stick to this particular cost. So nowadays we have advanced techniques like rapid prototype technique and experimental stress analysis. These are used for testing the prototype or the model. And then we have the translation stage. At this stage, we are almost beginning the manufacturing process. Here, the production engineering department is involved in the design work. Here, the manufacturing feasibility is tested. Can the product be manufactured? How easy it is to manufacture? Can it be mass manufactured? All these things will be considered here. And the final manufacturing drawings are prepared. Then we have the pre-production stage. The pre-production, that means before launching a large-scale production, we will have a pilot run. That means we will produce some goods in real situations. That means we are completely assembling the product from the parts or components made by normal production method. And we are using the same degree of skill in the operatives, just like in the final manufacture. So we are simulating the actual conditions here. See, the pre-production run will ensure the quality and the reliability of the product as per the specifications before the actual production is started. So you'll get an idea about how the product is going to perform. So the pre-production stage will check the drawings, final tools, production techniques, and specifications.